Hi everyone, my name is Alessia, I'm a photographer, and today I'll tell you about creative photoshoots in the field. For this shoot we used background stands and white curtains from my home. It's very important to plan ahead for weighing down the background support system. Otherwise, the whole structure might fall over due to the wind. You can bring water bottles or a couple of weights if you don't have special sandbags. I also choose light clothing for the shoot, white pants and white shirt. Additionally, I brought a white chair as a prop. Now let's talk about the lighting for the shoot. We started shooting an hour before sunset. On that day the weather was cloudy, even overcast. This gave us diffused and soft light, which perfectly suited the look and concept. If you want to achieve similar photos with soft light but have sunny weather, you can adjust your shooting time and start right after the sun sets. There will still be enough light and it will be very diffused and soft. In these shots, the wind was a great help. If you are not lucky enough to have wind, you can simply toss the curtains into the air and shoot while they are falling. In the video you can see houses on the horizon, because we did this shoot in the city. In the photos I removed the houses using Photoshop's generative function. I explain in detail how to create a beautiful horizon line in the pop-up video. I will also leave a link to it in the description of this video. And now let me tell you a bit about how the idea for this shoot came about. The model in the photos is Julia, and we had arranged the date and location for the shoot in advance, but we hadn't come up with a concept. Julia told me she wanted something interesting, leaving the choice up to me. I procrastinated with the idea as I didn't like anything I found and kept going through different options. Then, just a couple of days before the shoot, I came across these photos. I immediately thought I had everything needed for this shoot, including the clothing, and I messaged Julia. The idea seemed very simple to me, but once we set everything up and I picked up the camera, it turned out to look very impressive and interesting. My personal tips for such a shoot: don't forget to bring insect repellent. In places like this, there can be a lot of mosquitoes and gnats, and they can significantly spoil the experience for both you and the model. And if the sun turns out to be too bright, you can always position your setup to shoot against the light. In this case, the fabric will diffuse the light and give you a similar effect. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Here I share interesting and useful videos about photography.